Hello friends, in this video I'm going to discuss about how to create registration form in ASP.NET. So at here I'm going to use Microsoft Visual Studio 2019. So let's open at here Visual Studio 2019. Now here after I'm going to create a new project. So click at here create a new project. So at here we need to select C# and here web, and here you can use ASP.NET Core Web Application, HeyKit, MVC, ASP, so many things. And if you scroll down, here you can see ASP.NET Web Application.NET Framework. So I'm going to select this option. You can select this one too. Now here after click on next, here give the meaningful project name. So add here registration form example. So at this location where where project is going to created, this is the solution name, and here .NET Framework 4.7.2 it's the using. Now hereafter click on create button, and hereafter empty, that's fine, and here I'm going to check waveform and MVC. Now let's click on create button, and here you can see registration form example project created, and here you can see this all files. Now here I'm going to add new waveform. So right click here, add. Here you can see waveform. So click on the waveform and here give the meaningful waveform name. So add here giving registration. Now press enter, and here you can see registration form waveform created. Now the very first step is, so add here, let's go to design, and here I'm going to add some table. So at here go to table, and here click on insert, and here 2 rows and 1 column, that is required. Now click on OK. Now here after, so at here this is for register, copy and paste. Now here after the next is, let's select, and here after make that bold if you want. Then here you can change the back color, so it's not looking fine. Here going to use, we're going to increase the size, so let's give 36. Now at this place going to add or create your account, and here control C and control V. Now here after the next important step, so at this place go to insert. Now here after I'm going to insert 1 row and here 2 column. Now here after click on toolbox, and here the next is go to standard, and here at this place going to add 2 label. So this is the first label. Now here let's make that smaller, and here this is the second label, and here this is the going to change the property, enter last name, and here text property enter first name. Now here after at this place going to add two text box. So here this is the text box 1 and this is the text box 2. So let's add some tables. So insert table. So at here going to add or 3 rows and 1 column. 3 rows added. So add here let's write enter email. And here enter password. And here enter confirm password. So this place going to add the 3 text box at this place. Now let's make that little bigger. Now here after, so I need to one more row, one row, one column, and at this place going to use add here check box, and here the text property of checkbox going to change with and here going to write accept. I accept all the terms and conditions. Now hereafter there I need to not this space. Let's remove, and here I need one button control. So let's search button, add button, and here one label control that required. So if you want then, or you can use literal control also. So literal control. Now here let's change the text property of button, submit, and if you want then here you can change the color. So let's use. Now here after the next thing is when that all added. Now here after when that all added, we need to do some modification. So this add here selected, and here let's change the ID. So add here the first is txt text first name. Now here this is txt last name. So this is add here txt email. Here password, and here this one txt here confirm password. Now let's check txt password. Now here after the next important step is, now here after going to use validation control. So add here required field validator that is required. So let's add here, copy this and paste. And here paste this place, paste, and here paste. So required field validator. Now here after at this place here message, so going to write enter first name. So this is for enter first name. Now here required field validator. So this one for enter last name. This is for email. Enter your email. Enter password. And here enter confirm password. Now here after the next thing is, so if you want, then here you can change the font color. Now let's copy and use this font color and this place. So this is item, Control P, enter. Now here Control P, enter. Now here Control E, and here Control P, enter. So for color that has changed. Now here after the next is, so at this place we need to do some modification on at here control to validate. So which control do you want to validate? So it's a selected enter first name, so txt first name, so select this option and here txt first name. Okay, and here this is for txt, and I think we need to add one more control at this place, control V, and here, so this is at here text box, select secure txt last name. Now here at this place control to validate txt last name. Now here this is for email. Here this is for password, and here this is for confirm password. Now it's all done, and here after if you want, then here you can change the font color. So going to give, let's give this option Here after the next is let's make that a little bigger. Now here after it's order. Now here after the next is enter password and enter confirm password. So that must be add here or we can do the comparison. Okay, so at this place I just added or compare write it and here going to use password must be match and here let's use control to write it. So add here control to compare. So which going to do the comparison with the password and here control to validate confirm password. Now there is a one important thing here. Let's change the password. So going to use this option. So it's almost done. Now double click on the button control. So at here button load event it's open and here at this place let's use lateral one dot here text. So at here registration successful. Now close by semicolon. So I think that almost done. Execute this project. Register, create your account. It's free and only takes a minute. So let's give the name, giving at here Sam and here Smith. Now here after Sam at the rate gmail.com. Now give the password and here confirm password. Now accept submit. So at here registration successful. Now here after the next thing is so let's check with giving at a wrong password. So password must be matched and here our password it's the same. So I will do or display on the dot mod. So for this we need to do some modification. So at here this is the password selected txt password and here somewhere you can find the property at here or somewhere you can find get text mode single line. So at here you need to give the password mode. Now here confirm password. So at here password mode and here this is email. So at here you can somewhere say email option is there. No need to change other option. Now here execute once again. So if I click on add here submit, so add here it's the required field where you to enter first name, last name, email, this all option. So first name that I added, so it's that option gone, last name going to be added, that option gone. Now add here when I try to enter wrong email, like so add here or there is a one red point, so it's saying you need to add correct email. So at the rate must be included. Then that would be fine. And after let's give one to password. Now it's accepting dot and here given the wrong password. So at here dot there password must be matched. So if I select at here submit. So at here this is try to save, don't save. Now here auto registration successful when everything correct, and here enter password and enter confirm password on chain. Like that you can keep any kind of name at this place. So this is the simplest way we can create the registration form using ASP.NET MVC. So in my next video there I will discuss about how to create registration form by using Microsoft SQL Server. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So if you have any doubt related to this, leave your comment, definitely I will reply. So thanks for watching. See you next video.